So far, just soft selling coming into that half cap zone. Obviously, the 07 is our demon. And anybody that's playing into the 04, the 03.75, a reminder. You know, we were hoping for some backing and filling rather than just take right off. So far, that's what we've got, but we are still above that 3 1/4 breakout from Friday. So be aware of that. As you know, again, I'm not looking for a big range. Anybody's playing, I said hit and run, grab what you can day. You know, all done late Friday from this 98 after 2 o'clock. This 98 1/4 was supportive. And then squeeze to the new, you know, stretch the range. And bots are unemotional. They don't care. They will buy. Most traders won't. Most traders have been short, short, short. Every time you turn around, they were, I'm shorting this, I'm shorting that, I'm shorting this, and yet we continue to run to new highs. We'd said earlier, if you got to the half gap, feel like that was a victory. So anybody coming into this half gap zone, grab something, and if you're looking at your RTH chart, reminder, it takes time to break down rising moving averages. "30-minute chart in play. We'd hope to get here back to this blue line, so that's done. Don't know how they allowed that to happen, but they did. If you're looking at something like a 15-minute chart, turned over and under, tells us that's not the right chart. Does tell us that the market's slowing down from that, you know, pace it had overnight. And the first sign of stress is attacking, you know, defending the demon and attacking the angel. And overnight, that angel is 4 1/4, and the demon at 07. Much too small a range to conclude anything. And we'd suggested hit and run. We've come a long way, as the Globex charts have shown us. And when we had called last week for that 75 support, that was a great trade. So anybody likes being long now and saying, hey, I love this, lots of luck. The best buy was obviously last week when we got it. And our primary target, Thibault style, is at the 1816 zone. So I said last week that I think we're coming into a resistance zone between 1812 to 1817. So keep that in mind as trading evolves. All right, anybody that has got this 1804 zone, make sure you get paid. And a reminder, no, this is backing and filling. It's all we know so far. And move your stops down now. Half gap traders, nice call. And our assumption of support right now is that 02 has to hold. That was the premise. And we started trading today. If you got into the threes, take it and run, and anything beyond the threes is good fortune, right? And expecting a slow day, really. not expecting a plunge, and I'm certainly not expecting a ramp. And ahead of a holiday, I'm not anticipating that traders going to hang around. I think volume will get thinner and lighter. And a reminder that we are testing Friday's high, the breakout right here, 3.25. We said if you get to the 2s, consider yourself lucky. And I've got the gap at 1.25. So hit and run, suggested trade today. Try to come back and get that 4 to 3 zone, and if we got beyond that, good fortune. And anybody wants to buy, if you're buying now at this level, make sure you use a tight stop. And this is a typical trade that we like. It may not be the biggest trade of the day, but we certainly favor the odds for that trade. And this year, that's done nothing but get traders in trouble that have tried to get beyond that.